Welcome to Global Auto Digest. Today we revisit a timeless icon, the Toyota KE70 car, a machine that still lives in the hearts of car lovers around the world. Originally introduced in the late 70s, the KE70 became the symbol of simplicity, durability, and rear-wheel drive fun. Even decades later, the KE70 commands attention on roads and at car meets. Its boxy design, classic lines, and compact stance give it a retro charm that no modern car can replicate. Whether it's stock or heavily modified, the KE70 radiates vintage energy with pride. Under the hood, the KE70 came with a 1.3-liter or 1.6-liter inline-4 engine, known for its reliability. Though not a high-performance beast by today's standards, it's a tuner's dream, simple to work on, easy to swap, and light enough to handle like a go-kart. Inside, the cabin was basic but functional. Manual steering, analog gauges, and a no-frills dashboard remind us of an era where the driver was more connected to the road than the touchscreen. Everything was mechanical, raw, and beautifully honest. Today, KE70s have found new life in the hands of drift enthusiasts, tuners, and collectors. Whether it's getting a turbocharged engine swap or restored to factory-fresh glory, each build tells a unique story. It's not just a car, it's a canvas for expression. From Pakistan to Japan to the streets of Europe, the KE70 has become a cult classic. Parts are still available, online communities are thriving, and the love for this machine just keeps growing. So if you are looking for a retro RWD platform that's fun, customizable, and packed with nostalgia, the Toyota KE70 car might just be your perfect project. Thanks for watching. Subscriber to Global Auto Digest. See you in the next video.